the giveaway coming up next. First and foremost, thank you guys for tuning in and helping me approach 1,000 subs. I'm doing something right, I guess. You guys keep tuning in and watching. That's awesome. I appreciate you guys. Lots of fun content coming up on the channel, so stay tuned. So yeah, my first attempt at a giveaway was a complete and total shit show. Not only did I pick the wrong person in my spreadsheet, the guy I called made a spoof account really quick and said it was him. It wasn't really him, but like the guy was so freaking friendly. I was like, yeah, no problem, man. He was so appreciative. I had no idea I was getting played, but lesson learned. And if you're watching this, YouTube police is on to you. Just know that. So yeah, my next attempt, I'm gonna do a lot more due diligence to make sure it goes smoothly. I probably will do it via Instagram. So if you don't have an Instagram account, you wanna win this prize, it'd behoove you to go ahead and get one. So yeah, some random turd got free money. Hopefully we can situate it and track him down, and I don't know what's gonna come of it. But anyways, so my next giveaway is gonna be, drum roll, a GoPro Hero 7 Black. Not an 8, I know, but you get what you get, it's free, stop complaining. So yeah, if you like GoPros and you came across this channel and you wanna try to win one, just go ahead and subscribe. If you're already subscribed, thank you. All you have to do is between this video and when I hit 1,000 subs, make sure you comment. You can say whatever you want. You can give it a like too if you like. If you like it, give it a like. If you dislike too, you don't like it, that's fine. So yeah, once I hit 1,000 subs, I'll do a announcement. I'll do it much more disciplined and paying attention this time. I was tired as shit last time I did it. I don't know how I fucked it up so bad, but I did. Like, it was my job. So there you go. So coming up on the channel, I got a steering wheel coming hopefully early next week for the Z06. What else after that? I'll be doing seats and then coilovers, sway bars, other stuff too. It's almost endless amount of stuff you can put on a car. So make sure you're following and seeing all that jazz go down. Also, I'm still waiting on my COVID results. Hopefully I'll get them tomorrow. I'm so tired of being at home. I want to go to work. I want to go to work and sit at a computer instead of sitting at home at a computer. And assuming my results are negative, I can get back to work. That'd be awesome. I do want to go fishing this weekend. I'll take you guys with me. I'll actually try this time and try to catch a fish. Use my new rod if you're into fishing. So make sure to tune in for that. All right, I don't want to keep you guys too long. Just want to get this out to you guys because my subs are growing pretty quick and you guys are awesome. I appreciate you. So good luck, guys, to whoever the winner is. And see you guys next time. Later.